My father named me Irshad, and it has a meaning. It means guidance or good advice. And I hope I will live up to my father's expectations. This is our lily pond. And the first animals that could very quickly colonize this pond are these many frogs. Just two species of frogs here. We have the green one with the stripes along the side. This is by far the most common of the two species we have. This is called the green paddy field frog. And the brown one that you can see over there, that's the common tree frog. You'll notice that these lilies are open at particular hours in the day. As darkness descends and the temperatures drop, these flowers begin to open. Each flower will open and close over consecutive nights before they fade away and be replaced by new ones. This is also the time when the frogs are most active. Feeding, fighting, calling, breeding. Although most of the action occurs at night, don't worry, for just before these lilies close at mid-morning, there's one final feeding frenzy. Tiny stingless bees descend every morning to feed on the nectar. And the green paddy field frogs await to ambush. They sit motionless on the lily pads, and when a bee comes too close, they strike. These frogs are skilled hunters.